Hey everybody, Nathan here with WC Fab. Today we're talking about our mini project again. As you can see, the biggest change here is it's not sitting on a lift. It's not in a two-post bay anymore. It is on the ground on all fours. So a couple of things that we have finished up since last time. Brake lines are all done, clutch line's done, fuel system is done, whole engine bay is pretty much done. There might be some things that we come across, once we start driving it, running it some more, but had a couple little hiccups along the way trying to get this thing started. Ended up finding that the communication between the ignition switch and the car didn't really like to work well together, so it's going to have a push button start. That is what it is. We still got to finish up the exhaust system. Currently it's still just open header. Got to figure out what kind of piping, tubing, muffler, all that kind of stuff that we can fit under the car and how we can route it under the car. The fuel system, because of the lack of room under the car, a lot of it is actually mounted in the trunk where the tank is actually mounted on these. The only thing that should be running under the car is the fuel line itself to help us save room for exhaust. The interior still needs to be fully buttoned back up, the dash, roll cage, a couple final finishes with that. So there's still a few things interior-wise. We kind of threw this car together a little bit so he could take it to a show he was hosting at his detail facility. They did a Cars and Coffee that he wanted to be able to show the car off for. We got it buttoned back up enough to be able to go to his show. Now it's back with us. We got to get these final touches up, and hopefully before too long this thing's gonna be ready to hit the streets and ready to rip around. Thanks everybody for tuning in again. This is Nathan with WC Fab.